G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what I want to do is just have a quick look at you with the inline cartridge, okay? Now the little issue that's popping up of late is some of these cartridges nowadays, they come complete with the ends on them ready to connect a hose straight to. In the old days there was always a thread in there, so we had to screw a connection in and then the hose would push into the connection. But modern technology, cartridges are getting more advanced. We don't need the screw-in parts anymore. We can just install the pipe straight into the cartridge. Hence, that's where the problem's lying. So this is how the cartridge will arrive to the customer. And basically in each end, where the holes are, where the water pipes are inserted, there's a protector in there. And it's just to stop any dirt or anything getting in there. And we have to pull these protectors out before we can install the water hose. So this is an RO4000. It's got 3 cartridges inside, similar to this. So it's an RO4000 cartridge customer that will come across this issue. Basically, you'll get your cartridge, and customers are trying to fit the cartridge onto the end of that white point, white nozzle, whatever it might be, white protector, and obviously it just doesn't fit. So the trick is that we depress the collar around it, and we pull that little protector out. It's got a sealed end on it, so there's no way that any dirt can get in there, and it's just inserted in there by the company supplying the inline cartridge so that it keeps any dirt out. So they just push them into each end, and when they're manufactured, when they come to your house, push in the collar, pull out the plug, and that will allow the water hose, 1.5 centimetres, to push straight in. Once it's in, like normal, you won't pull it out. This is how all of these connections are connected. Depress the collar, pull out the plug, push in the hose, 1.5 centimetres, locked on, good to go, never pull it out. Same with the hose, same when you change all the cartridges inside. Depress the collar, pull it out, depress the collar, pull it out, okay? Same as this one. This too is a inline cartridge. This is an alkalizer cartridge, but exactly the same. Press the collar, pull out the hose. When this cartridge comes to you, once again, it's going to have a little plug pushed into each end. Depress the collar, pull out the plug, get your water hose, 1.5 centimetres, give it a wiggle, make sure it fits and goes right in, won't come out, job's right. And that's how you install them. Thank you very much.